Hello, my name is Miss Nicole and this is Miss Emily. Some of you may know us from our farmer school and food-wise lessons. This month's Harvest of the Month, I'm happy to introduce. Can you guess who? Please know that Wisconsin is the third largest producer of this plant part. This vegetable is the seed of the plant. And archaeologists have found seeds from this plant that date back to over 10,000 years. I'm pleased to introduce
Peas! Shh! Quiet, Peas! Hi, Miss Nicole and Miss Emily. I'm very pleased to meet you. I am a pea pod. My name is Penelope. Did you know that there are two different kinds of peas? One has small peas and a tender pod. The other kind of pea that we're using today has big peas inside and a shell that you cannot eat. That's what we'll be using today. Please remember to compost your pods.
We have a really fun recipe for you to try. Pea guacamole. Please wash your hands.
Wisconsin Harvest of the Month by Crunch Eat.
Autumn! Winter! Spring! Summer! Try them all!
Nutritious, delicious Wisconsin.
This is what you will need. Peas, tomato, red onion, garlic, oil, lime juice, salt, pepper, a potato masher, and cilantro.
Today, we will start with frozen peas that we have boiled and brought to a safe temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. If you want to use the peas from your garden, shell and boil the peas for 5 minutes to soften the seeds a little.
Add the peas, oil, lime juice, salt, pepper, and garlic, and mash or blend to your desired consistency. I'm gonna make mine a little chunky. You can make yours smooth if you please.
Next, fold in the diced tomatoes, diced onions, and chopped up cilantro. Now it's time to taste our pea guacamole.
Unbelievable. Join us next time for our Harvest of the Month recipes. Farm to School gives students access to fresh, locally grown food products.
Kids win, farmers win, community wins.